Well, you probably heard this last February, but just like last February, this February is American Heart Month. And this morning we're joined by Dr. Byung-Soo Ko. He's an interventional cardiology specialist at Mercy Health. And Dr. Ko, thank you for joining us this morning. I want to start by asking you about, COVID-19's impact on the heart, because I know that there have been all sorts of complications that people have seen both during the 2-week, 3-week period that they're going through having COVID-19, but also afterward and sort of the long-term impact. So can you explain what you've seen because of that?
Yeah, so thank you for having me. I think we're still learning about the long-term implications of COVID-19. And coronavirus is not a new virus. It's been around for a long time, and we've known for a long time that in rare patients, they can develop heart complications after this, what they thought was a common cold or a viral syndrome. And coronavirus is one of those viruses that can lead to this, what we call cardiomyopathy, where your muscle gets affected and you end up having heart failure.
And I know you guys have new procedures that you've been able to bring into the cardiology community in the 4 states. Can you just briefly tell us about those before we head out?
Yeah, so we started what they call a structural program. So as with any other field in medicine, we're moving towards more minimally invasive procedures rather than really big surgeries. And it goes the same with the heart procedures too. So now opening up the arteries are, mostly stents these days as opposed to bypass. Same thing with the valve disease. So one of the procedures we started is called TAVR, which is a transcatheter valvular replacement.
Well, I know you are one of many cardiologists who keep the heartland healthy, so we appreciate you taking the time to speak with us this morning. We're going to have more information on our morning show page at KOAMnewsnow.com, and we'll be right back on the KOAM Morning News after this.